Is this a bad flight controller? Let's go look at the settings. So you can see here, flight controller moves just like the one on screen. That's good. Let's go to configuration. Oh, actually, let's go to setup. So correct disable flags. Before I was getting bad motor protocol as a arming disable flag. So I upgraded to the latest I went from BLHeli 32.9 to 32.10. Let's see, configuration. I don't think there's anything related to the motors in here, right? There's my gyro info. The receiver works.
Welcome to HTX.
No, it's not armed, so it's just connected. There's my throttle. Yaw. Pitch. Roll. So all that's working. Let's go to motors. So this is where I had all kinds of weird stuff until I put it on 32.10. I'm doing props out, doing bidirectional D-shot, D-shot 600. I turned my motor idle from 5.5 to 2%. So turn on the motors, let's plug this in. And let's do motor 1. So this one should be going, yep. So it's going the right way. Motor 1, clockwise. Turn that off. And then let's do motor 2. There's motor 2. We're doing props out, so yep. Definitely props out. Okay. Motor 3. This one should be clockwise, which it is. Motor 4, pops out. Definitely props out. And then here's the video, what it's like when I touch a prop while I'm trying to, when I just have it sitting there at idle. Except for props out. Yeah? My drone went crazy when I was testing it. No.